If you've not heard it, I'm sure you're going to love it. It's a lovely little song. Scotland is ours. Michael.
Hello there, everybody. Guys, can I just say, first of all, I've been in tears throughout today. I thought the speakers today were absolutely fantastic. It was really emotional. I was so proud to be here today. Well done. This song I wrote probably about a year ago now. It's dedicated to my grandfather, who sadly passed away about a year ago. So it's dedicated towards him. I'm delighted to be asked along to come and play it today. Also, this is the last chance to sing along, so the words are, and we'll meet one day on the banks of the Tay, and let Scotland be ours today. So please sing along, please sing along.
Meet one day on the banks of the Tay, let Scotland be ours.
My mother, and I miss my father. I miss my brother, my sister and friends, and I miss my loved ones so much I could cry when I'm not laying under these blue Scottish skies, and I like to join them, but before too long, and we'll sit round singing all these old Scottish songs. We'll sit by the fire and drink whiskey till dawn. Well, I can't believe I've been away for so long. I'd like to tell them I love them, oh, and I'd like to tell them I care. I'd like to tell them I love them, oh, and I'd like to tell them I care. And let Scotland be ours today. Well, Scotland is ours today. Well, Scotland is ours today. Well, Scotland is ours today. They say that water's the future currency, and it's more valuable than gold. We live in this land of plenty, oh, and it's time to refold. We live in this land of plenty, oh, and it's time to refold. Up in these high Scottish mountains and through these freshwater streams, welcome, follow me down through broken daddy and dreams, and every empire has its ending. Well, each one has its dawn. Well, come on now, Scotland. Well, let's take it on. And we'll meet one day on the banks of the Tay, and let Scotland be hours today. And we'll meet one day on the banks of Tay, and with Scotland 3 hours today. Well, Scotland is ours today. Well, Scotland is ours today. I know this man who won't see 2014. Oh, but he's lying, smiling. The fires he let go soon be seen. Oh, and I know this man who won't see 2014. Oh, but he's lying, smiling. The fires he let go soon be seen. Everybody, and we'll meet one day on the banks of Tay, and with Scotland 3 hours today. And we'll meet one day on the banks of Tay, and with Scotland 3 hours today. Well, Scotland is ours today. Scotland is ours today. Okay, everyone's going to sing along. And we'll meet one day on the banks of the Tay. And we'll meet one day on the banks of the Tay. Scotland 3 hours today. Scotland is ours today.
Thank you very much. Michael Yellowlees.
And Michael Yellowlees, I actually heard Michael sing that in the tea bank in Kells one day. It's a fantastic song. So then we went on the banks of the tea.